To simplify this nice algebraic expression, so if we have 7 over 2 to the power of 5 over 2, and we will simplify this algebraic expression into the lowest form, but here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. It means that we will show all of the working on this paper. So here the very first step we are going to do is here first we rewrite this algebraic expression as this is 7 over 2 to the power of 5 over 2, and we will write 5 over 2 as 5 multiplied by 1 over 2. And now here in the next step we will apply here the nice exponent law. You know that if we have a to the power of m multiplied by n, so it is equals to a to the power of m to the power of n. So according to this exponent law here we can just move this 5 inside the term and we write this expression as in this form. This is 7 over 2 to the power of 5 and its whole exponent is 1 over 2. And now here in the next step we can apply here another exponent law. You know that if we have a over b to the power of m, it is equals to a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. So here we have two ways to proceed this step. The first way is you can just apply here this nice exponent law, and the second way is you can just multiply 7 over 2 up to the 5 times. So here we can do this step in the next way. So here first we can apply here this exponent law. So according to this law we will break this 5 and we write separately on both of these values. So here we write it as 7 to the power of 5 divided by 2 to the power of 5 and its whole power is 1 over 2. And now in the next step here we need to here you know about the meaning of 7 to the power of 5. 7 to the power of 5 means that we need to multiply this 7 with 5 times. It means that we multiply this 7 with 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Here we multiply this 7 with 5 times and it is divided by, this is 2 to the power of 5, and here we multiply this 2 with 5 times, and you see here its whole exponent is 1 divided by 2. Now here we need to make the pairs of these terms. Here we will make the pair of this 7 and this 7. We will again make the pair of this 7 and this 7. Similarly, we will make the pairs of denominators. So this 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2. Here we have this is 2. Okay. So when you multiply this 7 by 7, so we will write it as 7 square. Now we again write this as 7 square multiplied by this is 7 and it is divided by, again you have this is 2 square multiplied by 2 square multiplied by, here we have only 1 2 left. And we have its exponent is 1 over 2. And now here further in the next step we again apply this exponent law. A over b to the power of m equals to a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. According to this we will apply this 1 over 2 to the upside as well as the downsides of terms. So it will be written as 7 square multiplied by 7 square multiplied by 7 and its whole power is 1 over 2 divided by here in the denominator term is that 2 square multiplied by 2 square multiplied by 2 and its whole term is 1 over 2. Whole power is 1 over 2. Okay, here we can apply this 1 over 2 on both of these values. And now in the next step we will apply here another exponent law. You know that if we have a multiplied by b to the power of m, we write it as a multiplied by m and b multiplied by m. It means that if you have some numbers which are multiplied by each other and we have some common power, so we will just do or make this power separately on each of these values. Here we can write this on 2 digits only, and if you have 3 or 4 or 5 digits you can apply this m on each of these values in this way. Okay, so here we will apply this 1 over 2 on each of these values and it will be written as 7 square and its whole power is 1 over 2 multiplied by 7 square and its whole power is 1 over 2 multiplied by 7 to the power of 1 over 2, and it is divided by, here we have 2 square and its whole power is 1 over 2. Again we have, this is 2 square and its whole power is 1 over 2, and we have, this is 2 to the power of 1 over 2. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and you see here these 2 and 2 are gone, and we will get here 7 multiplied by this 2, and these 2 are gone, and we get here 7 multiplied by, here we write 7 to the power of 1 over 2 as 7 square root, and it is divided by, here you see that this 2 and 2 are gone, and we get 2 multiplied by this 2 and 2 are gone, and we get here 2 multiplied by, here we again write this 2 to the power of 1 over 2 as square root of 2. Here you see that I can just solve this problem by step solution, and here I can do I can write each of the exponent law which you can apply on each of these steps. Okay, so here I can write those exponent laws here. So in the next step you see here we have, this is 7 times of 7 becomes 49 times of square root of 7 divided by, this is 2 times of 2 becomes 4 into square root of 2. And now in the next step we need to write our answer into the more simplified form. So for this, here we can just multiply and divide each of these terms by square root of 2 in order to write our answer into the simplified form. So here you have, this is 49 into square root of 7 multiplied by square root of 2 divided by, this is 4, and you see here square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 equals to square root of 2 and its whole square. And now here we can apply the radical law. You know that if we have a square root of a multiplied by square root of b, it is equals to square root of a multiplied by b. So to this radical law, here we need to combine the square root of both of these values, and it will be written as 49 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2. Here we can combine the square root of these two terms, and it is divided by, this is 4 into this 2, and square root are gone, and we will get here 2 only. Okay, so here this step is implies that here and now further in the next step we have this is 49 times of 7 2s are 14 divided by 4 times of 2 becomes here 8. Okay, so finally we have the final answer of the given question is 7 over 2 to the power of 5 over 2 equals to 49 times of square root of 14 divided by 8. This is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.